Now dear students, so we are reading about factors, multiples, okay? So based on factors, if I have to find out the factors, find factors of the following number, okay? Following numbers, you see it. What is it? 4. Okay, if you have to find the factors of 4, what to do? Very simple. By which all number 4 can be divisible? 1 can divide 4, okay, 2 can divide 4, and 4 can divide 4. So 1, 2, 3 are the factors of 4. Similarly, if you have to find the factors of 5, okay, so 1 can divide 5, 1 5 is 5, and 5 also can divide 5, so 5 can also divide 5, so 5 is also the factor of 5. Similarly, 12, 1 12 is 12, 2 6 is 12, 3 4 is 12, 4 3 is 12, 6 2 is 12, 12 1 is 12. These are the factors of 12. Okay, so this is the simple way to find the factors. Okay, means these are the factors of 12, but it is the simple number, so small number, so we could easily find the factors of 12. Okay, but here I will show you how to find the multiples of any number. Okay, multiples also I will teach you, but the process of finding factors have some method. Okay, how to find the factors of any number, how to find all the factors, and how to find the prime factors of any number. Okay, a number may have the prime factors only, number may have the all factors. Okay, many factors, among all the factors, prime factors can also be separated. So we will later on in the next topic we will learn how to find the prime factors of a number, as well as how to find the all set of factors of any particular number. Like if a certain number is given, and if you will be asked to find write the name of all the factors, write all the factors of a given number. Okay, now how to find all the factors? Like these are the smaller number, so we can easily understand that 4 can be divisible by 1, 4 can be divisible by 2, 4 can be completely divisible by 4. So these are the factors of 12. We could understand because number is very small. If the number is given 216, 300, 400, okay, got my point, 84, 96. So in that case you may have the problem. So the bigger number, how to find the factors of the bigger number, that we will learn later on. Okay, so now I am again going to tell you multiples of a number, how to find the multiples of a number. Okay, so you see it again, I am taking example of 2. What are the multiples of 2? Okay, it's a very simple table of 2. Whatever comes in the table of 2, all are the multiples of 2. Okay, so another way to find the multiples of any number, okay, the given number must be multiplied by 1, 2, 3, 4 in a order. Okay, in a proper order. If you multiply the given number, okay, then you keep on getting the multiples of this number, like this, like this here. If you have to get first multiple, you multiply 2 by 1. Okay, if you multiply 2 by 2, you will get another multiple of 2. If you multiply 2 by 3, you will get another multiple of 3. Here 2. If you multiply by 2 by 4, then you will get, in this way you can get several multiples of a particular number. Okay, like 2 1 is 2, 2 2 is 4, 2 3 is 6, 2 4 is 8, etc. Okay, these are the multiples of 2. So very simple way. It is very simple to find multiples, but to find factors has some particular method. Okay, so factors is bit difficult than multiples. Okay, you have to be more concentrate on this topic, factors. So multiples I am doing here. Now 7. If I have to find the multiples of 7, how to find? Like you simply multiply 7 by 1. Again you multiply 7 by 2. Again you multiply 7 by 3. How many multiples you have to obtain? If you have to obtain 10 multiples, keep on multiplying up to 10. If you have to obtain 100 multiples, then you have to keep on multiplying by 100. If you have to find 3 multiples of any number, then you simply multiply by 1, 2, 3, or by any other number. By separate number you can multiply, no problem. It is not certain rules that you have to multiply by 1, 2, 3, not like that. If you multiply by 1, 2, 3, it will be easy. For easier I am telling you for this. Okay, but there is no certain such rules that you have to multiply by 1, 2, 3 only. You can multiply by 4, 7, 11, okay. By different numbers you can multiply, but you have to multiply the same given number by how many multiples you have to find. If you have to multiply 4, if you have to find 4 multiples, then by 4 different numbers you have to multiply 7. You will get 4 multiples of 7, okay. If you have to get 7 multiples of 7, then you multiply this 7 by 7 different numbers. Okay, then you will get the 7 multiples of 7. So it is a very simple way to find the multiples of any number. But the problem is there, how to find the factors of a number. So here I am going to teach you how to find the factors of a number. Okay, so to find the factors, before finding the factors, you must understand the divisibility rules. Okay, the rules of divisibility. It means like certain numbers can divide. Okay, numbers can divide any particular number. So orally, how can we divide a number? Oral division I will teach you first. Before finding the factors, to find the factors of any number, we must have the concept of division. Okay. If you don't have the good concept of division, you cannot find the factors of any number. Okay, like you can divide in a long process. Okay, now I will teach you how to divide a given number, okay, by their factors. Okay, to find the factors you have to try to divide the numbers. Okay, and before that I just want to tell you whether the number will be divisible by any particular number or not. Okay, just to understand that, we have to learn divisibility rules. Okay, before teaching you to find the factors, how to find the factors, before teaching you, I will teach you how a number is divided or orally, as well as I will teach you, as well as I will tell you how can we understand that particular number will be divided by a particular another number. Okay, so like there are some rules, certain rules are there that by looking that following that rules, you can understand that given number can be divisible by this, can be divisible by this. Okay, so before teaching that also, I just want to again recall that prime numbers. You might have understood prime numbers and composite numbers. Okay, you have the concept of prime numbers and composite numbers because in previous video I have already told you. Okay, now you see here how to find the factors. Okay, for that I will just tell you some rules of divisibility. I will not discuss more. I will only discuss about 2, 3 and 5. Okay, like by 4 also you can understand, by 2, by 3, by 4, by 5, by 6, by 7. Okay, by up to 6 I will discuss. Up to 6 I will not discuss 7. I will discuss 8 also, or that 8 also, and I will discuss 10 also. How to understand? 1 can divide every number. It's very simple. You don't have to think for any rule. But 2, which numbers are divisible by 2? Okay, which numbers can be divisible by